Hello to everyone, friends. Once again, mm, I'm going to make today's discussion on stock market because in stock market, if you will not learn the strategies and right knowledge, it is very difficult to uh, take out money from that stock market. Rather, we will be like a donor because I have already told so many times that it is a zero sum game. One side, we retail investors are without having knowledge, strategies, we are just jumped into the stock market, whereas on the other side, there are professional traders who are working with proper knowledge, strategies, analysis, making all calculations. So, in this context, once again today, uh, I have come with certain basic rules which we need to follow. Let us start today's discussion. Friends, in the stock market, there is a thumb rule that uh, we should first of all uh, know the basic knowledge, what are the tools to uh, buy stocks. So, first of all, for uh, buying or selling any stock, we should know the fundamental rule that we have to make analysis. So there are a lot of rules, but just two things we have to follow, that is technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So technical analysis, fundamental analysis, we just know about the company, what are their figures, the revenue, profit, P ratio, and know the who is the promoter, what are their holdings, what is their future plan. So knowing all these things, we make calculation about that stock, what price, when to buy. And here fundamental analysis, normally we buy for a longer period. And secondly, there is technical analysis. Technical analysis is not where we don't give importance on fundamentals. Rather, basically we follow the patterns, charts, and price movement and other things, why price is moving. So keeping in all these things, be as a investor, since we are retail investors, we should focus on both the things. Suppose any stock is fundamentally very strong, but there is no movement in price. Then also, despite the stock being fundamentally strong, there is no demand. Unless and until there is not any demand, price doesn't move, because there should be big players, institutions who should buy those stocks. Buying from of 100, 200, 300 stocks by retail investors cannot make a jump in the price of that stock. So we have to take into consideration both the things. And one, two, three sites I will suggest you. We should go from those sites like Ticker Tap is a very good tool. We should go see Ticker Tap. Just in Google we type Ticker Tap, and there we can put a lot of filters that which stock is having good P ratio. Accordingly, from range of the stocks, that is, suppose you are penny stocks, we can say from 0 to 50, what are those stocks. We can filter through P ratio, we can filter through dividend, all the things. By this we can filter good stocks. And most important thing is that we should have decision making things. We should not come on emotions. We should have to give patience, time, consistency, because it is not that in one day will become can earn money. And first of all thing, optimization means we have to optimize from those all stocks, which stock, mane just optimum we have to take out from that. That is that should be our focus. With all these things, I just have certain things which I have just put for basic things that earlier also I have told that selection of stock is very important, and second thing is when we should take entry, and uh, because you should not and when to exit. Suppose whether our target is achieved, or on getting any adverse, if stock goes down, we should book stop loss and get exit from that stock. And lastly, we should also took into consideration that we should not buy with emotions that stock is going high at that level. Should not buy. We should wait, because the stock may follow a graph. When it is high, definitely it will come down. Because there is a thumb rule that when we will buy at bottom, then we can book profit by selling at high. So we should wait, and whenever any downfall come, that time we should buy that stock. So with all this, these are the certain small things, but we need to follow. I hope the things which I have discussed must have been of use for you all. With all this, thank you very much.